Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Internet Freedom. My name is Vish Agarwal, and today I got a new video that how you can start promoting the ClickBank product with no websites, no landing pages. Today I got something exciting, and this is a complete money making tutorial with the ClickBank. So if you are new to my channel, first go and please hit that subscribe button because I really need that push to create a more valuable content for you, those who are watching, so that I can help you out at my maximum. Okay, and also if you haven't watched my last video, just go and watch out because I have shared really cool trick that that how you can promote the ClickBank product with no website, no landing pages, and that is a complete new method that I shared there. Okay, so and also till the end for this particular video because I am going to share something very exciting and very cool which is going to help you to make money online. And if you are new to my channel, as I already told you, please go and hit the subscribe button. And now let's jump on my screen and start the video of today. Okay guys, so let's start the video of the today. So the number one thing that you need to do is you need to find out the affiliate offer. Okay, so if you are, let's suppose there are a lot of affiliate offers, lot of affiliate networks in the market like ClickBank, Zavizu, Warrior Plus. Okay, so there are tons of affiliate offer in the market like Digistore, but today we are choosing the ClickBank, and in the ClickBank, there are three evergreen niches that you need to target. So the number one evergreen niche is a health and fitness. The second is the wealth, and the third is relationship, because most of the people have the problem in these three particular areas and they are always ready to spend the money. And most of the buyers, those who take the decisions, they take the decision emotionally. And if you talk about the 2021, what happened is from January to March, a lot of people are trying to invest the money into their health because they take the new year resolutions. They want to do something in their life, or they want to in 2021 they want to reduce the weight. And even there are a lot of people who just buy the make money online offers because they want to be financially free. So there are these three niches are the most important niches, and I would recommend you to choose the product from these three particular niches. Okay, so today we are going to choose the product from the health and fitness. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to come and click on the marketplace. Okay, so once you click on the marketplace, now here you will find all the categories. Here on the left hand side you can see all the categories here, and you need to scroll down and you need to find out the health and fitness. Okay, so I will click here, and here you can see all the names of the product. Okay, so these are the types of product that you can promote. Offer is having a more gravity, so it means a lot of people are promoting these offers and they are getting a very good conversion rate. So always try to choose a gravity from above 100 plus. Okay, so we will choose the offer from this particular category. So let me scroll down, and we are going to choose the offer called custom keto. Okay, so if I click on this custom keto, what will happen, you will be redirected to the sales page. Okay, so this is basically the sales page where the people come on this page, they see the video and they take the decision to buy the product. So this is the sales page of the company that they have created. And before that, what you need to do, here you will find the affiliate page, and this affiliate page you will find under each and every single offer. If I come here and see, they have the affiliate page. What exactly the affiliate page is, affiliate page have all the resources like email swipes, they have the product banners, they have the lead magnets. Okay, so there are all the resources for the marketing they already give you, so that you can just go and start promoting the product in the market and start making the money and the sales on the ClickBank. So each and every single affiliate offer have the resources sections where you will find all the resources that they are providing you to promote the product. So this is basically called the affiliate page or resource page. So if I click on this, okay, so this is the page that we have clicked the link on, and this is the resources page that they have given. On the left hand side you will find all the things. Okay, you will find like create your affiliate link, product information, banners that you can promote online like through the ads. Okay, so these are the banners that you can take and like you can start promoting. Social media. Okay, so they have the social media packs that you can start promoting on your Facebook profiles or a Facebook fan page, like whatever you have. But today we are going to select the thing called lead magnet. Now exactly what is the lead magnet is, lead magnet is all about giving the value to the people first. Okay, so you need to focus on giving the value by giving them a free ebook or by giving them a video courses, because everyone likes the free thing and they want to opt in into the free things. Once they get into the free thing, what happen is a product owner or this lead magnet is trying to sell the product inside the lead magnet. So everyone likes the free part. So what we need to do, we need to focus on giving the value to the people first, then we are going to sell them. Okay, so what we will do, we are going to download this particular lead magnet that they have given. And also there is one more thing here, like every offer doesn't have the lead magnet thing. So what you need to do, I got the I got everything for you. What you need to do, you need to come on this particular website called free PLR downloads. Okay, these free PLR you can use it for 100% free, like you don't have any kind of copyright claims. So these are completely free. What you need to do, like on any niche that you are promoting the product, you need to just come on the search and type make money. Okay, anything whatever you are promoting, you just need to click on the search. Here you will find the free lead magnets. You can download these lead magnet, edit and place your affiliate link into this, and you can start promoting this particular thing also. Okay, so the website name is free downloads.com, where you can come and download the free lead magnets. Okay, so here we got the PDF. Okay, so this is the PDF that they have given. What we will do with this PDF, okay, so how you need to edit this particular PDF, you need to come on this pdfescape.com. Okay, you need to come on this pdfescape.com, and once you are here, this is not technical at all, this is super easy, and you can, if you do it for next 7 days to 10 days, you can start seeing the results. Okay, so you need to come and click on free online. Once you click on free online, you need to click on upload the PDF. So what I will do, I will just upload the PDF that we have downloaded. Okay, so this is the thing that we downloaded. Now I will just upload this particular PDF and see now what will happen. Okay, so now we got the complete PDF here. Now what I will do, I will write some of a very catchy headline into this, and I will place my affiliate link into this. Okay, so this is very cool and this is very interesting, and even like most of the people won't think that you are selling something to them, because you are giving them the value into the lead magnet so that they can take the maximum advantage of it. Then if they click on the links, so there is a higher chances that they are going to buy the product also. So what you need to do, on every 5 to 7 pages, you need to place the link. And how you are going to place that link, I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so you need to write something called catchy headline. See how I lost 20 lbs in 43 days. To learn more, click now. Okay, so I will just make this thing big. Okay, so I will just increase the size of it. I will just go with 17. I will just go with 14, and I will just go with 26. Okay, so I will just come here and just take this thing and take here. Okay, so once I have done this thing, what I will do, I will come again on the offer that we are promoting. So this is the offer that we were promoting, custom keto. I will click on promote here. Once I click on promote, I will generate the hop link. I will copy this particular link. Here you will find the link. You just need to copy this link. And once you copy the link, you need to again come on the PDF escape. And here you will select the text and like you will place the link. Okay, so I will just click on the link and you choose this, and now you see you can place the link here and okay. Okay, so that's how you do. So what you need to do, on every 5 to 7 pages, you need to start putting the links like this with a different catchy headlines where the people are going to click it. Okay, so once you are done with this, just click on this particular save button. Now once I click on save button, now what will happen, I can download this PDF again because I edited my link into this. Now you need to go to the Google Drive and upload this file. Okay, I will just go to the Google Drive and I just came here. I will just click here and like click on file upload. Once I click on file upload, I will upload this file here. Okay, so now this file is uploaded. I will just refresh it again. And now here you will find, you need to find get link. Okay, you need to find the link and just remove from restricted, just anyone with this particular link. Copy this link and just save it here for a while. Now I'm going to show you how you are going to start promoting this particular product. Okay, so what you need to do, you have a lot of things, a lot of free traffic sources where you can go and start giving the value and attach the Google Drive link. The number one thing, you can go with a Quora, you can go with a Reddit, but I have a very super cool method where the people are more eagerly to buy. Okay, so you need to come on the Facebook. Okay, so you need to come on the Facebook and like you need to type the weight loss. Okay, once you type the weight loss, come on the groups here. Okay, just click the group, just click the group button, and here you will find a lot of groups where people are talking about the health, people are talking about how to reduce the weight. So this is the ultra targeted audience where you can start sending them the free value, and like you can tell them, yeah, this is the free PDF that is going to help you to reduce your weight. Okay, so what I will do, I will just click on any group. Let's suppose if I click on this, now you need to come on the members. Once you are on the members, here you will find the new members. You always need to focus on the new members, because if they are new to the group, because like if they have like recently joined the group, they are eagerly looking for the information which can help them to reduce the weight. Okay, so you need to focus on the people, those who are new to the group, and here you will find a lot of people, those who have joined recently. Okay, so what you need to do, let's suppose if I now you need to click on each and every single profile. Just click here, open, and start messaging. Okay, just click on this message button. Okay, now now let's suppose if you click on this particular message button, and now you will get the pop-up box where you can type the message. And on the message, what you need to exactly type, you need to type here, if you are looking to reduce the weight, this particular free PDF help me to reduce the like 10 kg weight. So if you want to reduce the weight, this is the free guide and this is the free resource that is going to help you to reduce the weight. So now what you are doing, you are giving the value first, and in that PDF you have attached the link where that is redirecting to your affiliate offer. So this is a really cool strategy that you can start doing if you don't have the money to spend on the ad budget like Facebook ads, Google ads. So you can start doing by this, and I'm telling you, this is going to give you the results if you start doing it for next 7 days to 10 days. But like you need to start putting in the work to start getting the results. Okay, so like I hope you have liked this particular video, and if you have like really like this video, I have I have the request from you, please go and hit that particular subscribe button which is down, which is in the red, because this really gives me the motivation to like generate a more valuable content for my audience. And like if you haven't seen my last video, just go and watch out that, because that also covers a very cool make money online strategy with the ClickBank. And like please go and just click on that subscribe button. And if you are looking to make like $100 per week, so you can check out my link in the description that I have given, which reveals, like, that training is completely free, which you can take the advantage of it. So just go and click down the link in my description, and you will get all the details for absolutely free, and you will be able to watch the training. Okay, so like once again, just go and hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. And also please comment down that I have subscribed your channel, and if you have any questions, I'm there to revert back all your all your answers with that question that you have put down. Okay,